everyone, welcome to the Palette Diaries. This is Divya and today I'm going to be sharing with you a project that's very special to me and I'm extremely happy with the outcome. If you're guessing, then I'm going to be showing you how to make this pretty dangler that's hanging in my background. You're right. But before we get started with the video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell icon below. Also, do check out our work on both Facebook and Instagram page and follow us there to stay tuned to more such DIY. The links to both my handles are in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started.
In order to make this pretty eggy dangler, all you need are a branch or a twig, few egg cartons, yarn, paintbrush, acrylic paints and a glue gun. Start by cutting out the portion of the egg carton which holds the egg. Trim out the top portion so that we have the perfect round shape on the top. And repeat this process so you have about 18 to 24 such cups. The next step is to paint each of these cups using acrylic colors. We have chosen to use different colors so that we have as colorful a dangler as possible. Repeat this on all of them with different colors and leave it to dry for about half an hour to 1 hour. And once dry, you can see we have colorful cups. Next, we are going to create holes in each of these cups using a pencil or any other sharp object. Next step is to tie them all together, for which we are using a yarn. We are ensuring that we secure one end of the yarn by at least tying 2 to 3 knots. You can see. And now once that's done, through the other side insert the cup, and in order to ensure that the cup is secure in its position, we have used hot glue gun. You can also choose to use any other strong adhesive. Repeat this process to add at least 4 to 5 cups in one string. You can add lesser or more depending on the length that you desire. Now that we have about 5 strings, we are going to stick them on top of the twig or the branch using a hot glue gun. Just ensuring that it is always secure, which is why I am using hot glue gun. If you feel confident with the knot that you tie, you can leave it at that step as well. And the pretty dangler is ready. Wasn't this a very simple and easy process to make a very beautiful wall hanging? We hope you try it at home and do let us know how it comes out in the comment section below. Also, we would love to hear your thoughts, feedback or any suggestion as well. So don't forget to leave them in the comment section. If you loved watching this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more such DIY videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.